Looking for a mechanical keyboard that balances gaming performance with everyday productivity? The PowerPC Scorpion K2 series offers just that, featuring custom contact brown switches designed to deliver a satisfying tactile bump without sacrificing speed. This keyboard stands out with its sturdy brushed aluminum chassis, giving it a professional look and a cool, solid feel that lasts through intense sessions. What sets the Scorpion K2 apart is its unique switch design. These contact brown switches are nearly as light as red switches but provide a subtle tactile feedback similar to a softer blue switch. This means you get precision and responsiveness for gaming, plus comfortable typing for work or study. Whether you're mashing keys in a fast-paced game or typing reports, this keyboard adapts seamlessly to your needs. The keyboard doesn't just perform well, it looks great doing it. With 16 million color RGB lighting and 104 individually backlit keys, you can customize your setup to match your style or mood. The lighting effects are smooth and vibrant without being overwhelming, and the side lighting adds a subtle glow that enhances your desk's atmosphere without distraction. Gamers will appreciate the 100% anti-ghosting feature, which ensures every keystroke registers accurately, even during the most frantic gameplay. The inclusion of 12 keys, including a macro recording key, gives you extra control and customization options. Plus, the built-in removable Easy Key Remover makes maintenance quick and hassle-free, so you can keep your keyboard in top shape. Users praise the Scorpion K2 for its solid build quality and satisfying key feel. The keycaps strike a perfect balance. They're smooth without being slippery and feel durable under your fingers. While the LED brightness is strong enough to shine through the keycaps, some wish it was just a bit brighter, but the overall lighting effects more than make up for it. If you want a keyboard that works as hard as you do, the Scorpion K2 is worth a look. It blends a premium aluminum frame with tactile, responsive switches and stunning RGB lighting to give you a reliable tool for gaming and productivity. The attention to detail, from the key feel to the lighting effects, shows in every keystroke. Ready to upgrade your setup? The PowerPC Scorpion K2 offers a durable, stylish mechanical keyboard experience that meets the demands of both gamers and professionals. Try it when you're ready to enjoy precision, comfort, and eye-catching design all in one package.